In this video, we're going to learn how to use Teams to collaborate with an external user, a guest user in Teams. In this example, you can see I have my Gmail account and I've been collaborating and sharing files within Teams with an external user. The first thing the external user will have to do is associate their email account as a Microsoft account. To do that, I'll simply open up a web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Here it says you can sign in, but in this case, I want to use my Gmail account as my Microsoft account. So I will simply say create a Microsoft account and then use my existing Gmail account. Since mine is already associated, I will not go through this process, but they would just type in their Gmail account, hit next, and they could even use the same password if they wish. Once that account is set up and associated as a Microsoft account, I can begin a chat with that account from my university account by selecting a new chat. In the name, simply type the Gmail address that you want to chat with, the external user, and then whatever message, and select send. The external user, if they don't have Teams installed, they can simply go out to Office.com and log in with their Gmail address. I'll go to a web browser, type in Office.com. At Office.com, if you've been signed in as another account, you can simply select switch to a different account and type in the email address. Here is my Gmail. Select sign in, the associated password, and here I can see that I am signed in as my Gmail. They can simply select Teams if they would like to collaborate. Here it looks like a blank slate when they first sign in because they're signed in to their personal Teams. They'll want to switch to the University of Missouri tenant as guest. They'll go up here to their profile, and here is the University of Missouri as a guest. What the University of Missouri will do is send them a code to this email address. Here I'll go out and get the code that was sent to my Gmail and select sign in. As you will see, you can add them to your team as well, and they can collaborate in a team setting. And they can also chat with the University of Missouri. You'll notice they're limited on what they can do. They can chat. If you want to pass a file to them, they will only be able to view files. They cannot edit them. But you would simply go back to the chat and you can either upload a file or just simply drag and drop a file. So if I am in files for the chat, here I will select a file that I would like to share with them, and I'll simply drag and drop that file into the Files tab. When I return to the chat, I will see that that file has been shared. The remote user will see the file and they can simply open the file. So this is a way that you can easily chat with external users. Again, you can also place them on your team. Again, in chat, they can view documents, but they cannot edit them. While in a team, if they are a member of the team, they are seen as a member, so they have edit access to any documents of channels where they have rights. I hope this has been helpful.